Neighbors pitching in to help each other dig out. And the cleanup effort, it's monumental. And in some neighborhoods, patience starting to wear thin as folks continue to wait for a plow.
In Baltimore County, about 1,000 streets are still snow-covered, completely untouched. This morning, Lake Falls Road was one of them, and that's where we find ABC 2 News' Catherine Hawley tonight. Catherine?
Jamie and Kelly, take a look at how clear this street is now. The cars can come and go freely. I can actually see some blacktop, but this was not the work of a snowplow. Dozens of neighbors pitched in today and took matters into their own hands. One shovelful at a time they worked. Neighbors who live along Lake Falls Road banding together to clear their street.
The county can't come down here. Apparently they've tried 3 times. The plows have gotten stuck at the top and the bottom of our street.
We decided to take matters into our own hands and call everybody out and start shoveling.
Armed with brooms, shovels, and one snowblower, that's what they did.
But this is a Herculean effort, to say the least.
About 30 people worked at least 6 hours, slowly attacking the mounds of snow, burying their cars and clearing nearly a quarter-mile of street still blanketed with 29 inches of the white stuff.
It's almost all manual labor, yes, because even with the snowblower, you have to knock it down to about 18 inches where you can't push the snowblower through the snow.
A lot of hard work, many, many hours. People are going to be very sore this evening and tomorrow.
It was a massive undertaking, but everyone had a great attitude and even had some fun while getting the job done together.
It's been a nice day, and we're very fortunate to live in Baltimore County and have such wonderful neighbors.
It's amazing. It's amazing. You know, this morning I came out and I felt like it's like trying to empty the ocean with a teaspoon. You know, but you know, seeing this what it looks like now, it's really satisfying.
I think it's absolutely fantastic. It's super. It gives me a reason to live. It really does.
Working 24 hours, their goal is to reach all 2,600 miles of county roads with a plow at least once by morning, and then they'll keep working until all the roads are clear. They say it's a task that could take several days. Now, if your street still has not been touched by a snowplow tomorrow, there is a form you can fill out to alert crews, and we posted that on our website. Live on Lake Falls Road, Catherine Hawley, ABC 2 News.